All right, my friends, now we are on page 36, okay? And we're going to do, again, I'm going to do 17, 19, and 21. So I'm doing the odd ones, the ones that go down on the left-hand side of the column, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do those ones together. But first, I want you to think. On page 35 that we just did, you were always looking for a pair that made 10. Why does it make it easier to add when you find a pair that makes 10? Is it because 10 is pretty easy to add to? Because when we add 10 to something, we just add a 1 in front of the number that we're adding to. So that's pretty easy. So that's why we always want to look for a pair that might make 10, okay? Sometimes we won't have one, but we always want to look for one first, just in case there is one. Okay, so let's look here. I have 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. Now, I don't think I have any numbers there that make 10. What do you think? 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9, and that's going to be the same thing there. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So there's no combination that I can make that makes a 10. So now it really doesn't matter how I add. I can add it in whatever order I decide. So I'm just going to go ahead and go straight across because that is what works best for me and for my brain. That might not be what works best for your brain, and that's okay. You get to decide, all right? But right now, I want you to try and do it the way I'm doing it, and then you get to decide the best way for your brain on the rest of them that you're going to do, okay? So we're going to do 4 plus 4 first. I guess I didn't need to write it out. I already have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to underline it so that I know I've already done it. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 5 plus 2. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and underline 5 because I'm going to do 8 plus 5 next. That's 13 plus 2. All right, and then I got to underline 2. 13 plus 2 equals 15, which means that's my answer is 15. Okay? And you might have to write it in little tiny numbers underneath your problem so that you have the proof that you knew what you were doing, okay, or that you were following along with me. But our answer for number 17 is 15. Let's go ahead and do this one. Oh, I found one that makes 10. So I have 10 plus 3 plus 9. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to switch it up on this one. I'm going to do 10 plus 9 because that gets one of my big hard numbers to add out of the way really easy because when I add it to 10, I just put a 1 and then my 9 plus 3. Okay, so now I've added my 3, so now we're good. 19 plus 3 equals, let's count up 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 is our answer for number 19. Our last one we're going to do is number 21. Now again, I'm looking at it and I don't have any that make an even 10, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to do 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 9 plus 3. 12 plus 9 is going to be, oh, I better count up, okay? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 3, I better count up again. 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. All right, so we have number 21 is 24. I want you to go ahead and finish the rest of page 36. You do not need to do check understanding, but I want you to do like 18, 20, and 22, and then I want you to do the bottom part, okay, because you can do all of that.